Hey babes, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome to my channel where I give you all the tea, baby. I'm gonna show you exactly how to lay that lace down. But let's get into it, y'all. So we are doing a closure unit install on my girl today. So you see she's already braided down. I'm just gelling her edges back and blow drying them to set them, and then I'm going in to moisturize her scalp before we go in with the ball cap. So you put that ball cap on. You guys can purchase these skin caps in the description below. Everything you need is in below from my Amazon cart. It has all the products that I use, to extensions, to the caps, everything. So after I put the cap on, I do go in with my lace glue and I do a layer of lace glue to where the lace is going to be laying. You only need one layer because we are not laying the lace, so only one layer. Then right behind that layer, I go in with the evening spray and allow that to dry completely. After she has finished drying, I go in and sew the cap down around the perimeter, not where the glue line is at though. After you sew that down, I do go in and put the foundation on closest to her skin tone, cutting off that excess cap, and then we're going to get to installing the actual unit.
Shaking ass and videos in a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in wrong way, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa, I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Alright, now that we have finished our ball cap, I'm going in and putting this unit on. This is a 5x5 HD closure unit that I did custom color. If you guys want a color tutorial, let me know down below. So here I'm just lining everything up, making sure I like where it's being placed. And then we're going to part her out. So she's doing a middle part. And then I'm going to prep her skin and then lay those layers of lace glue down. I do 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry completely before laying that lace into the glue.
Just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate it. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you.
Now that that 4th layer has dried, I am now going to go in and lay that lace into that glue line and then put an elastic band around that lace, and then we're going to get into styling. I like to start styling while that lace is melting, just to let it melt, and then we're being proactive at the same time. So we're just going to do some curls and some layers for this look, and then we'll be back to melt that lace down again.
right off the curb. Bentley sprite fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause to serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP litty. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. ACC wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them hold with precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley sprite fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I'm in my drop top, who's in the streets, I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. Pull up and disappear. Good love, don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hands in places I ain't never seen. Girl, you know what I mean. Take the talk, nice and quiet. There ain't no one that's a tour. Ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and see, I've been waiting for this for so long. We'll be making love until the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, home is sorry.
As I finish with the styling, I do take that band off and go in and spray some Evian on that lace just to melt it down a little bit further, and then after that I do place the band back on, and then I finish styling the rest of the unit. And then after that, I'm just going to be doing my finishing touches pretty much. Make sure y'all are hot combing each piece, each section of that lace. You do not want it to be a helmet or humpy, anything. So you want to apply the wax stick and then hot comb it before you do the curl.
You play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone, when you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, your soft skin, and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just
like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it on. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama rights. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and dunked. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting.
Now that I have finished styling, I am going to go ahead and remove that band. And like I said, do my finishing touches. I'm going to define her part. When I do go in to define the parting, I do like to use like one shade lighter than the client's skin. And then I'm going to go in and comb those curls out and create a few layers throughout the hair. And then you guys, that's pretty much how you install a closure unit. They're pretty simple. You just gotta learn how to mount it correctly and style it right. But these are super cute looks, especially if you want something that's less maintenance. Closure units are definitely for you. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wild.